Hey, I'm so delightful to have you back after a long time. Today's video is all about how to make your home look cozy. You know, when it comes to designing a house, there are a lot of kinds like bohemian, minimalism, Scandinavian, country style, etc. But when we talk about feelings like calming, airy, cozy, these are not styles but about emotions or feelings we can apply to these styles. So in today's video, I am going to share with you some ideas and tips that I follow to make my home look cozy. Let's start. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. It would be of a great support. So let's dive in. Consider your lighting. Yes, that comes first. Instead of bright lights, go for warm tones. Softening your lighting goes a long way towards creating that cozy feel you want in your home. Cute little lamps, filament lights, and twinkle fairy lights works best. My personal favorite are these filament bulbs. They bring this rustic look to the house, making it cozy. Next, candles. There is just something about candlelight that relaxes our mind, right? They instantly add the element of soft, romantic light. Candles can really cozy up the space easily. Next on the list, a lovely smelling house. There are a number of ways to make your house smell warm and inviting. You would all know scented candles, essential oils, but here is my personal favorite. I love this combination of apple and cinnamon. So what I'm going to do is chop some apples and take some cinnamon sticks and add it to the pan of water. And after it boils, put it in simmer. The whole house smells amazing. You can put your favorite fruits, herbs. I personally love this apple cinnamon. So just give it a try. Next, flowers. I got these from my garden. Just picked this white and pink flowers. I love this white and pink combo. Placing it in the glass of water, add a light scent to my home. I feel white flowers are so calming. Moving on to next are pillows. Who doesn't love to snuggle a pillow while watching a movie? Adding pillows to chairs, couches, beds are great ideas. Throw blankets. Some simple ways to add coziness is with throw blankets. You can keep them on your couch or chairs. They create warmth literally. I just love to grab them when watching TV, always. They are also a great way to add color to our living room. Next thing you can add to cozy up are the rugs. I love them and have one in every room of my house. Rugs help a space look and feel softer and warmer. Next thing is my personal favorite. Adding some life to the house is by bringing in some plants. Once I started to grow some indoor plants, trust me, it instantly changed the vibe of the house. It brings so much positivity inside the house. and as well make the space cozy. I adore my plants and I love the energy it brings in. Next on the list, music. Yes, by playing the right kind of music, you can actually create a peaceful feeling in your home. Keep soft music playing in the background while the TV is off or while cooking in the kitchen. It definitely creates a cozy feel inside the house. Next thing is to incorporate different textures in your decor. When I say decor, it can be anything that add an earthy feeling to the house. Example, if you take a look, I have got some wooden decor pieces, metal clocks. You don't have to purchase all. I just collected some feathers and beehives just to add some natural feel. This wood log, I just got it nearby and I just gave some wood polish, and that's it. It acts as my end table. It is always not necessary to purchase all the decor items. You can always do some, you can check out the videos and do it yourself. There are a lot of DIY videos, so you can try your hand at something. Also, I collect few decors when we travel, so by that way, you can add some good element to the house. Next is really important, remove clutter. I'm a firm believer in the idea that cluttered surroundings make for a cluttered mind. Keep surfaces like countertops, end tables, coffee tables, mostly the kitchen countertops, free of too much stuff. If clutter constantly collects in your house, as it does in my house, and you don't have time right now to go all Marie Kondo with your clutter, make sure you use storage bins and baskets at least. Keep the clutter in designated spots in the house. Plus, storage baskets are cute and inexpensive ways to manage your clutter. Finally, here's a bonus tip. Keep your own attitude warm and inviting. You can decorate all you want. Your home can be magazine photo shoot ready, but at the end of the day, it's your attitude. If you express bitterness and feel negative, your home will feel tense and uncomfortable too. The quickest way to lose the cozy feel of your home is to have a bad attitude. So I hope you enjoy these tips and tricks on how to make your home look cozy. It takes a little energy and time to set the space, but it's all worth it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in next video. Stay cozy. Bye.